Here at Moraine Park, the instructors and the program, the technology, and the equipment are second to none in the state and anywhere in the nation.
One of the things that always stands out different from our program is that we do actual live work. We try to mimic the automotive industry as close as we can with a customer service area, with a repair shop that has cars in it that are from actual customers. And so to have students get that experience of working on vehicles that are from the real world takes just a different level of creative thinking. We have here at Moraine Park our own parts store, and it works really awesome for the students because then they're able to work with our parts person who was from the industry also. So we've always taken time to talk with our industry leaders and see what kind of equipment they have in their shop, and then look at those pieces of equipment and decide what is the best equipment to have in our shop for students to work on.
Moraine Park Tech College, we are an ASE certified program, which is similar to a technician getting ASE certification. It kind of gives anybody in the industry, whether that's here in Wisconsin or anywhere around the country, kind of a baseline of what a technician can do. They can say, I went to an ASE accredited program. Give that potential employer a much better idea of what that potential employee knows.
Moraine Park is small enough to be family oriented. We have a close camaraderie, but yet big enough that we can do what we need to do.